Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can set priorities in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Todoist, and when you're gonna be here, you just wanna simply click on whatever task you got, and then you're gonna see set the priority. And you have like 4 priorities here, and you can simply change it to whatever you want. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.